Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by assessing the putty's condition and gathering materials now. If it's crumbly but not moldy, you can revive it. Make sure to wear gloves. Combine a tablespoon of glycerin or 1-2 drop silicone oil with a teaspoon of rubbing alcohol in a small bowl. This restores plasticizers and loosens bonds. Stir to emulsify. You want a thin, slick solution. Once mixed, pick a pea-sized sample and apply a drop to test elasticity. Don't soak the whole batch yet. Once done with your test, proceed in small increments so you control texture. Take a pea-sized piece, add 1-2 drops of your solution, then knead and fold for 1 to 2 minutes. This redistributes plasticizers and reactivates polymers. Make sure to alternate kneading and stretching to open and realign the matrix. If it stays stiff, repeat with another small drop. You can use hand warmth to soften it gently. Make sure to avoid direct oven heat, because high temperatures break bonds and ruin consistency. To finish, scale the process to the full batch while adding your solution proportionally. Go slow so you don't over-soften. Knead through the whole mass until elasticity returns. Once it feels right, wipe excess oil with a paper towel and store in an airtight container with a silica pack. If it becomes slightly sticky, dust lightly with cornstarch and knead. If it remains dry and crumbly, add 1 drop at a time. If nothing works, discontinuing use is safer than forcing degraded chemicals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.